Hey, hello and welcome. Oh my goodness, Canva have dropped some serious updates in their Droptober event last night, and I am very here for it. These are absolutely amazing. So if you create content for your business, videos, emails, websites, forms, templates, literally anything, these are going to make your life so much easier. So here is a quick rundown of what these features are. The very first one is Video 2.0. If you've ever had a great video idea, then lost the plot because you're jumping between apps, tabs, and random downloads, that struggle is now over. Canva's new Video 2.0 editor is smoother, faster, and actually makes sense. You can trim, sync, cut, layer all without wanting to throw your laptop out the window. Or you can use Magic Video. Upload your clips, tell Canva what vibe you're going for, and it will edit for you. It's not cheating, it's working smarter. Plus, loads of new video templates based on what's trending on TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. So you're not starting from a blank screen wondering what to make. Now we have Canva Forms. Oh my goodness, this is going to be a game changer. If you're using Canva websites, or you want to collect any kind of information from people, you can now add forms directly inside your design. No extra software, no other subscriptions, no other integrations, no more stress. Do it all from within Canva Forms. RSVPs, sign up, surveys, all on brand. And the response, so where do the responses go? Well, they go straight into Canva Sheets. So you can actually use the info without copying and pasting things into 10 different places. Now, this is going to be a game changer for so many small businesses. The next one is data and Canva code. I had a feeling, an inkling that this was gonna happen. So now your forms feed directly into sheets, which you can then turn into interactive visuals using Canva code. And the best bit, you can style it to match your brand inside Canva, then publish it as your own mini website. Seriously effortless. This is going to be, again, there's so many game changers in all of these features, but this is going to be a big one for businesses. Okay, again, with the amazing features, email. Canva have launched email. I love this. I'm so pleased about this. I've been playing with this one already. It's gonna be brilliant. So you can create branded email designs directly in Canva using a template, AI help, and drag and drop everything in. Then you can export clean HTML to use in whatever email system you already use. So no more boring, ugly email designs that just look like plain pages. You can actually put your branding, your own tone into your own emails. You can use a template if you want to, or you can start from scratch because they've even got in the elements section lots of different features for buttons, headers, footers, columns, all the different aspects that create up an email. You can now add them all in separately and create your own. So I absolutely love Canva email. Canva's new creative AI. So Canva has built the first AI model that actually understands design, not just generating a picture from your words. So it means it knows your branding, your layout, your spacing, styling. It creates editable designs, not just flat images, and it can work across socials, websites, presentations, videos, pretty much everything. So now you can generate entire ready to edit designs in seconds. You can create your own photos, videos, icons, and 3D elements. Look at the 3D elements in the elements section. These are awesome. You can change the whole view of them completely 3D. And it all instantly matches everything to your brand style if you've got your brand kit set up in Canva. And you can also just tag at Canva in a comment if you're stuck, and then it will help you to design, critique, or suggest changes right there in the editor. Tell me that is not incredible. This one's for the business and marketing folks, although all of these are great for business and marketing. But Canva can now basically become your all-in-one marketing hub. You can plan campaigns, you can create your content, you can publish directly to platforms, you can track your results, and you can stay on brand automatically. So no more juggling multiple subscriptions, multiple tools, no more where's my latest logo because it's all there in one platform. No more off-brand chaos from that one team member who likes purple and your branding is blue. So you can do everything within Canva. So it's your all-in-one marketing hub. I have left possibly my most favorite feature until last. All of these are amazing. As you can tell, I'm in love with all of them. But this one was the big one. Affinity, the design platform, is now free for everyone forever. Yes. Professional editing tools, photos, vector illustrations, layouts. It's now all free and they all plug into Canva. It's all been grouped together in one platform within Affinity and it's now grouped together and it's now free forever. I can't stop saying it. It's free forever. I think it's just absolutely amazing. Amazing. So get onto Affinity, create your account. You can log in with your own Canva account and you can now use Affinity. So it's basically Canva saying, creative tools should be accessible to everyone, not behind a paywall. And I absolutely love that. So this is the start, in my view, of a new era of creativity. It's one where tech does the heavy lifting and you get to stay in the fun, creative idea part. I'm going to be creating tutorials for all of these different features, but in this video, I just wanted to give you a brief rundown of what has been uploaded, updated, launched from Canva in their Droptober event. So please do stay tuned. I'll be creating more tutorials and don't forget to come back to my channel for all of the future updates.